Yes, YouTube family, welcome to the brand new channel. Life is for the living. When you're dead, you're dead. Boom, big voice represent. Yes, welcome back to the channel, YouTube family. You already know. Tonight, I'm going to talk about something very different. Very different. You know, me a real Jamaican, and boy, some things are going down in Jamaica right now. I feel shake my head like, really? Really? Yeah, it's too much. Sometimes I wonder if a sour ban or something happened along the way where the man them a kill off the people them for no reason, bro. The man them a rob people, the man them a scam people, the man them have this nasty way about themselves nowadays. It really hurt my heart if you know say this legacy. Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, you know, Peter Tosh, Muta Baruka, you name the greats. You have to really wonder if this it come to the legacy of these great people turn into something different, 360. Like the Jamaican culture where we know and love gone to the dog. Sad state, you know. Man a kill man on social media, live, you know, TikTok. Them have a youth, I think him name, what name again? Naya. Yeah, one Naya gang. Yeah man, him is a popular social media influencer. You know, TikTok. You know, even some youth in some problem or whatever. I don't know about that situation. I'm not gonna comment on it too much, but it does show you how brazen the Jamaican youths have become right before our very eyes. It's like there's no militancy anymore. You know, the way of life, the cultural expression where we Jamaican know for love, where we, not only Jamaicans, the tourists, the people them will come visit, you know, it's a shame, Bridget.
14 and you look for me, if you was big man, you can get gunshot.
Well, all you, me not care if you are 9. Gunshot in your blood clot. Let's go.
It sounds like a waste, man. A sabla marry fool come from, you know, a lie.
No. Now deal with country badness. Me live close to you, motherfucker. You see? You now run the file. And you say you a killer.
You never tell her that.
Yeah man, it's definitely a shame if you know say that this will really come to. Yeah man, a whole heap of things are going. Them capture 4 youth down a Spalding. I think Spalding in a Clarendon or Manchester. I think Manchester. Yeah man, 4 youth stick up a supermarket and 4 man, 4 gun. Them have 3 pistol and 1 rifle. And them barricade themselves in the supermarket. And when the police them come, the man them a beg, beg for them life. Literally, the gunman them walk in the supermarket with the intent to rob, kill and destroy. Because once you walk with illegal gun, 4 uno, 3 pistol, 1 rifle, uno intention is nothing good. Nothing. So when I watch the video, I have to shake my head. The way the man them a ball like baby, like girl. The real killy them, the real killer them, I cry. And I beg the police them pan live to spare them life. I mean no for a fact. I go play the video. Yeah, I think I have the video there. I go play it, I gonna watch it, and you can't go believe when I say the quote unquote bad man them, the killy them. The man them with the girl them love nowadays down in Jamaica. The man them a ball like baby. The man them a beg for them life pan TikTok live. I mean no say for a fact, any hour whenever that TikTok live, them wanna come out alive. Thank God for TikTok. Because I know them police they would have fixed them business. But me I go post the video. So you can comment on it and watch it and make me know what you think. But it's crazy, yo. Crazy.
Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. There was high drama in Spalding, Manchester this afternoon as the security forces and gunmen were locked in a blazing gun battle following a robbery at a supermarket. Several people, including shoppers, staff, and operators of the supermarket, were reportedly held hostage by the gunmen. 4 men were later captured and 4 guns seized. The gunmen were also seen on social media begging for their lives. Kirk Wright tells us more.
The standoff between police and alleged gunmen in Spalding today brought activities in the square to a standstill.
So about 1:30 p.m. today, police team was on patrol in the Spaldings area when they observed men alighted from a motor vehicle. They further observed that one of the person was armed with a rifle. The police immediately accosted the men who opened fire at the police.
A policeman and a bystander were shot in the crossfire. They are both being treated. The supermarket in the square then became the focus of attention as news spread that men who challenged the police in a gunfight had barricaded themselves inside for over 2 hours. Police and soldiers took charge and blocked all entrances to the square. Fearing for their lives, the suspects inside the supermarket went live on social media and begged for their lives to be spared.
Please, I live with the fun. Please, I live with the fun. Please, I live with the fun. Please, officer, do ya baby. Please, officer.
In the process, their battery went low, but the live went on long enough for us to see when the police entered the supermarket and saw the men huddled together. Police and soldiers along with SWAT team carried out a thorough search of the supermarket. The police say 2 of the 4 suspects were injured and taken to hospital.
The other 2 are currently in police custody. A total of 4 weapons, to include a rifle, have been recovered. The investigations is well and truly underway.
A man who told TVJ News his vehicle was parked near the supermarket said his car was damaged by bullets. He heard the commotion as he exited his car.
I said, like, oh, the park and come out and walk down 3 foot, man.
In the meantime, the police are reminding persons wanting to transport large sums of cash to get in touch with them. Kirk Wright, TVJ.
Alright, wanna watch the video? Wanna see what really are going on in our beautiful island, Jamaica? The man them go in at the supermarket. The man them challenge the police them. Them even shot a police and an innocent bystander. And when the man them do that, the man them barricade themselves. And when them find out say them back is against the wall, then they have no choice, no other alternative but to surrender, go on TikTok live, go beg for them life. And the way how the man them a beg, yo, me have to wonder if, me have to really, I think I wonder, them here man here, just I go pull off a robbery with them rifle there, with them matic there, them gun there and a regular gun, you know. Them gun there, some gun where, you saw them pretty, all the rifle, you know, see a problem that. And them have this new law down in Jamaica, where them a say, what? Like if them catch you with an illegal gun, them can give you 15 years. That's what me hear. Yeah man, but it crazy. It crazy. Yeah man, but you hear the man them a cry, you hear the man them a bawl. And you have to say, wait, the man them a say them a good youth. When I man a say, yo, like him have people who are police and brother, like him have, like really bro, really, you literally premeditate, all I want to premeditate this, figure rob and possibly kill people, to get money and things. And when police buckle up, at this one officer, you better glad say no some real police like Adams and Ling and them Monday, where they real serious about crime. We're sorry for them. We have a thing down in Jamaica named Indicom. I think them a protect what they call it, human rights or whatever. So you know, say you have to be careful. The police them have to be careful at Indicom, because them man they serious about them thing. So even though them man they are criminal and thief, them still have a right. As crazy as it sound, them have a right. Cause if them they shoot them man, them police they would have in a trouble. Me now ask you. Unfortunately. Boy, me don't know brother. Me don't know how culture gone to. Me don't know if it a come back. Because them a youth nowadays is not the youth like when we did a grow up and our father did a grow up. Them youth are some different youth. Them a man ya, quote unquote man. You can't even call them man. I don't know why you call them youth ya. Because them man are up on TikTok every day. I beg people for likes and flowers and alligator and shark and tiger and everything. Just to make $1. And them dip on the internet a beat up themselves every day. Every day them youth ya. It's another youth dip on TikTok. I do some foolishness. I exalt themselves. I destroy them own life. And then them a plea, say them a good youth. How you a good youth? How you a good youth? Joke not joke, man. I just there in the night and, you know, I just say, it just dawned on my mind. If you just say, boy, I go say something about this. You know, I come from the car wash. And I say, boy, General, it just messed up, yo. Where the man them there, yo? Where the real man them there? The real man them will have a backbone. The real man them will know the right. I know say the real man them there, but them get quiet. They not really say certain things. They not really come up front with certain things because society make everybody get coward. Cowl up. Yeah man, it weird, yo. But the real man them did it. But the real man them down there on social media. Most real man down there on social media. Because the only reason why me even talk on this camera right now, if I put it on my YouTube, just because me have a voice and me I say, yo, no man, me a yard man, me a real Jamaican be. And if you see them youth at destroy not only themselves but the culture. You know how much millions of people fly down from foreign every year if you come to Jamaica, yo. You know Jamaica sweet. You know Jamaica nice. You know some people wish them could have been like Jamaican. You know how much people wish them could have talk like Jamaican, walk like Jamaican, yo. And if you know say some little youth I come up nowadays and not take no talk, they not take no chat from no elder. They don't respect them elders. So them don't respect themselves. And if you see some little youth come up nowadays and I switch up the thing, yo. Nah man, them youth need to jump back in the hand, yo. Me wonder where man them like, you know, Sizzla Kalanji, Bounty Killer, Capleton. You know the artists them will have influence, positive influence on youth. I'm not talking about no look idiot artists. I talk about real artists. Buju Banton. Where them man they be? Because not like them coward in a yo. The man them just say, you know what? Society set away. But they even open my mouth again. Because everything just gets soft up, yo. Yeah man, but a whole heap of thing are going, so don't just watch the video there, man. You don't know, just like, you know, comment, subscribe if you want. But me feel like me need a platform for just say certain things sometime. You know, me's a fitness person. You know, me not really talk about these things, but it messed up, you know, say me a Jamaican, yo, and they are Jamaica most of my life. And if you see what I go on, messed up, yo. We need to get it back together. The man them need to talk up, yo. Yeah man, but you don't know. Big up on yourself. Let's look out for some more video. We don't know. We need to change the culture again. We need to get back to Jamaica where we know and love. You see it? One big up man like Curly Locks. One big up man like Two Locks. Seeing? One big up man like Footer Hype same way. Yeah man, big up the man them way I use them platform to get out the word to make people see what I go on. You know, me not really dep on social media, me not dep on TikTok, me not dep on Facebook, me not dep on Snapchat. I just WhatsApp me really use, you know, personally. And me YouTube every now and again. Me not have time for no foolishness, yo. TikTok and them, yo, a joke thing. Joke thing, but big up on yourself. Yeah man, enough respect.